In front of me is XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. All you need to do is open Play Store and get this app called DevCheck Device and System Info from FLART Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Quick tip, when you go into dashboard, make sure to tap on all of those sections, not only to read all the information, but also because when you click on settings at the bottom right corner of each pop-up, you will get transferred to this section in your device's settings right away. It also works when you click on those gears at the top right corners. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!